end 70 points higher, almost at 19,400. Again, one more pretty strong session, notwithstanding the early morning intraday cool-off that we saw. But the cool-off lasted for, just I think 10-15 minutes, and then the market started moving right back after 10 in the morning to the day's high at about 130. So the close is a little off the day's high, but I don't think there's very much to complain. Nifty Bank is up about 0.25%. So there was I think actually the Bank Nifty leaves off exactly in the middle of the range. The Nifty PSU Bank Index, at the top gainer, again, big cool-off from the day's high though. And of course, financials with the Bajaj twins and the large banks are responsible for bulk of the Nifty gains and the Bank Nifty gains, of course, that we saw in today's trading session. So another, all-time closing high on the Nifty coming through almost at 19,400. Prima.
So the Nifty PSU banking sector was a strong showing, 2% up. The other two sectors which deserve mention, one is IT, closes up with a gain of 1%. And Nifty Pharma pushed higher, ends up nearly 2/3 of a percentage point. In terms of names, you have Tech Mahindra, TCS, Wipro, HCL Tech. The second half of the trading session was very strong for these IT majors. On the pharma side, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy, Cipla closing up with gains of more than 2%. In the auto pack, it's a mixed picture. You had MotoCorp closing with a rally of nearly 4.7%, but on the other hand, Eicher Motors went down as the biggest loser. This is one of the biggest intraday losses, one-day losses that we've seen for Eicher Motors, 6% gone. On that, Bharti Airtel struggled in trade. Reliance Jio launched a new phone, Jio Bharat, but the stock after yesterday's 2.5% pop came in for some amount of profit booking.
Well, mid-caps subdued. The index is ending very, very flat. And actually, today is one day where declines are outnumbering advancing stocks. Just less than 1,300 advancing stocks, but the declining stocks are almost 1,700. So that's the first trend to note. However, it's been all about financials, whether it's PSU banks, tier 2 banks. It's financials literally all the way if you talk about the gainers. So stocks like PNB, 6.5%, JNK Bank, 6%, Poonawalla Finance, 5%, and it's a long list. Bank of India, IOB, Yes Bank, can just go on and on. Federal, Central Bank of India. You take a dart and hit it on the board, and chances are on the gainer side, it'll hit a financial stock. It's been that kind of a day. In addition, some stocks like Aster DM had a great show, 16% up on that one. That really, really stood out. And then the newsmakers of the day are the IDFC twins. IDFC saw gains. IDFC First Bank was down 4%. The market believes the way the swap ratio is structured, it favors more IDFC than IDFC First Bank. So those were some of the stocks in news. There's a smaller mid-cap name called Genus Power. Announced order wins of about 2,200 crores, and the market was lapping it up 9% up on Genus Power as we're closing out. So quieter day for mid-caps, a lot of profit taking as well on stocks that have run up in the recent past.
And even quieter in the US because US is shut, right?
4th of July.
No trading action when we come back. So a clueless kind of market in the morning, especially from a global perspective. But it's been a good one, another record high for the Nifty. It's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell from all of us here. Thank you very much for watching, but don't go anywhere. Our Tuesday special, Commodity Champions, is coming up next. Stay with us.